Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Speaking Edge. We're so glad you're here with us today. In this lesson, we're talking about something extremely important. How to call the police in English.
That's right. In emergencies, knowing the right phrases can help you stay calm and communicate clearly. This video will show you exactly what to say when you need help fast.
You'll learn how to describe the situation, how to share your location, and how to speak confidently even when you're nervous.
And before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to English Speaking Edge. Your support helps us bring you more real-life English lessons. Alright, let's get started and learn how to communicate safely and effectively during emergencies.
So Alex, have you ever had to call the police before?
Yes, once. It was a minor incident, but I needed help quickly.
Really? What happened?
I witnessed a car accident, and I reported it.
Were you nervous?
A bit, but speaking clearly helped a lot.
That's important. Panic only makes it harder.
Exactly, calm voice, simple sentences.
What's the first thing you should say when calling the police?
Start with, I need help. It's an emergency. Very clear. Yes. Then say what happened.
Like, there's been an accident or someone is hurt.
Exactly, short and direct.
What about the location?
That's one of the most important parts. Give the address immediately.
And if you don't know the exact address?
Describe landmarks. I'm near the bank. I'm at the corner. Things like that.
Do you need perfect English?
No, just understandable English.
So even broken sentences are okay?
Yes, clarity matters more than grammar.
What if someone is in danger?
Say, someone is in danger. Please send help quickly.
That sounds strong and urgent.
Yes, urgency helps the operator act faster.
How about reporting a crime?
You can say, I saw a robbery, or a fight is happening.
Should you stay on the line?
Yes, unless the operator tells you to hang up.
What if speaking loudly puts you in danger?
Whisper safety comes first.
Can you call the police without talking?
In some countries, yes, through text or silent calls.
That's helpful.
Yes, but speaking is usually faster.
Do you have to give your name?
Usually yes, but not always required.
So you can say, my name is...
Yes, it helps them follow the case.
How do you describe a suspect?
Use simple details, clothes, height, or vehicle.
Like, he's wearing a blue jacket.
Perfect.
Should people try to stop the criminal themselves?
No, stay safe and let police handle it.
Good advice.
Safety first, always.
What if your English is limited?
Use simple keywords. Help, police, accident.
Can you ask the operator to speak slowly?
Yes, say, please speak slowly. My English is not good.
That makes it easier.
Definitely.
Should you guess details?
No, only say what you know.
So don't invent information.
Right, accuracy matters.
How about fires?
Say, there's a fire at, and give your location.
And mention if people are inside.
Absolutely.
What about medical emergencies?
Say, someone needs medical help or someone is unconscious.
Even if you're not sure what's wrong.
Yes, professionals handle the rest.
What if you're the one injured?
Say, I'm hurt. I need help.
Should you mention if your phone battery is low?
Yes, they'll try to get information quickly.
What if the call gets disconnected?
Emergency services usually call back.
That's reassuring.
Definitely.
What if you're calling from someone else's phone?
Tell them, this is not my phone.
So they know whose number it is.
Exactly.
Should you describe your surroundings?
Yes, buildings, signs, anything useful.
Like, there's a gas station next to me.
Perfect.
What if many people around you are shouting?
Ask for quiet. Only one person should speak.
Makes sense.
Yes, it helps the operator hear clearly.
Should you hang up after giving the info?
No, wait for instructions.
What if you're too nervous to talk?
Take a deep breath and speak slowly.
That really helps.
Yes.
Should you run while calling?
Only if staying puts you in danger.
What if you don't know the emergency number?
Ask locals or search online quickly.
Or remember common numbers like 911. 999, 112.
Yes, those are worldwide.
What if the operator doesn't understand you?
Repeat slowly or use simpler words.
Or describe with basic phrases?
Yes.
Should you mention if someone has a weapon?
Always, it's crucial information.
Like, he has a knife.
Exactly.
What if the crime is already over?
Still report it. It just happened.
How do you report suspicious activity?
Say, something suspicious is happening.
Should you wait nearby?
Only if safe.
How about giving directions?
Use simple directions like turn left or go straight.
Don't complicate things.
Correct.
What if you don't know your location at all?
Use your phone map.
Or ask someone around you?
Yes.
Should you give your phone number?
Yes, for follow-up calls.
How do you describe injuries?
Use keywords like bleeding, not breathing, unconscious.
Those details save lives.
Absolutely.
Should you record the incident?
Only if safe and legal.
And don't interfere with the police.
Correct.
What if the suspect is still nearby?
Move to safety first, then call.
Should you confront them?
Never.
What if you feel unsafe walking alone at night?
Call the police if you think you're being followed.
Even if you're not completely sure?
Yes, trust your instincts.
What if someone steals your bag?
Say, my bag was stolen, I need police.
Say, my bag was stolen. I need police. Should you chase the thief?
No, unsafe.
What if you hear strange noises?
Say, I hear suspicious noises.
Like footsteps or breaking glass.
Like footsteps or breaking glass, exactly.
Should you hide?
Yes, if you feel threatened.
What if you're lost?
Say, I'm lost, I need help.
Helpful in unfamiliar areas.
Yes.
Should you lie to make police come faster?
Never lie, it's dangerous and illegal.
Always tell the truth.
Exactly.
What if someone collapses?
Say, someone has collapsed, send help.
Should you shake the person?
No, keep them safe and still.
What about traffic accidents?
Say, there's a car accident at plus location.
Should you move injured people?
No, unless they're in immediate danger.
What if your English is really weak?
Use simple keywords. Help, accident, police.
It still works.
Yes, they're trained to understand.
Should you stay polite?
Yes, but stay focused.
No long stories.
Right, keep it short.
How do you give directions to your home?
Say your building number, street, and floor.
And mention nearby landmarks.
Yes, that helps a lot.
Should you cry on the call?
It's okay, but try to speak clearly.
They understand panic.
Exactly.
What if your phone dies?
They might track your last location.
Good to know.
Yes.
What if you forget to say your name?
Not a big problem, the emergency is more important.
What if someone is following you?
Say, someone is following me, I feel unsafe.
Should you go to a public place?
Yes, crowds are safer.
What about domestic violence?
Say, I'm not safe at home, I need help.
Very important to report.
Yes.
What if you're trapped somewhere?
Say, I'm trapped, please send help.
Should you describe the room?
Yes, windows, doors, colours, anything.
What if you hear gunshots?
Say, I heard gunshots nearby.
Don't investigate yourself.
Exactly.
What if you smell smoke?
Report it immediately.
Even if you don't see fire?
Yes, better safe.
What if someone screams for help?
Say, someone is screaming for help.
What about a child alone and crying?
Call and report it.
Should you stay with the child?
If safe, yes, but don't move them far.
What if you see animal cruelty?
Report it as well.
Should you wait to see more?
No, call immediately.
What if you're unsure it's a crime?
Still call, let them decide. Better to report than ignore. Exactly.
What if there's a language barrier?
Ask for a translator.
That's helpful.
Yes, many services offer translation.
What if you travel abroad?
Learn the local emergency number.
Or save it on your phone.
Good idea.
What if you accidentally call the police?
Stay on the line and tell them it was a mistake.
Don't hang up suddenly.
Right.
Should you prank call the police?
Never, it's illegal.
So only call in real emergencies.
Exactly.
Thanks for learning with us today. Calling the police in English is a vital skill.
Stay safe, stay calm, and remember these phrases.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons from English Speaking Edge.
See you next time, stay prepared and stay confident.